yourself. Where are you? Beetle boy?
Is that funny? Is that funny?
Sure. Yes. Without the beam, it didn't take long.
Say hi. Hi. Say hi.
But I found so much more. Clothes and toys and fame, they all feel good for a minute. But the happiness they bring passes in a flash, like straws in fire. When I left, I was looking for the happiness that lasts. And I found it here, of all places. How? By helping. By using my gifts to help others rather than myself. I hear you figured out what your gift is for. I got it, Dad. But the others were lying. It was a trick. They may have been lying, but they couldn't keep me from finding the truth. So what would you like to do?